We all know the convenience of raised bed gardens. However, have you seen how so many of the raised bed gardens are either difficult to assemble, or they break down over time, or are just plain heavy and difficult to work with? Well, my name is Mark. I invented the Dirt Locker, and the Dirt Locker has introduced a new raised bed growing system that is modular, easy to put together, requires no hardware and no tools. It simply fastens together and fill it with soil, and you're planting, you're growing right away. The reason the raised bed garden system from Dirt Locker is better or easier than other products out there is that it requires no hardware, requires no tools whatsoever. It snaps together. It comes to you in a box like this that you pull out the pieces and can assemble in minutes and fill with soil, and the next thing you know, you are actually gardening and growing things without having to worry about saws or screwdrivers or any number of tools. In terms of any other products out there, this is the easiest and the most mobile product available on the market.